What is up, you guys? Welcome back. Today I'm going to shed a little bit of light on why the Prisma case is currently going up in price like crazy. Since the release of the new snakebite case, the buy order for the Prisma case went from 3 cents to 7 euro cents at this time. On a normal day, this case used to sell between 80 and 90,000 times. In the last 24 hours though, it sold over 700,000 times. The reason for this is simple and clear. People believe that the Prisma case is no longer in the prime drop pool. Zori linked me a post on the CSGO Market Forum subreddit, where the user Mirai Shikimi gathered data from the CSGO Market Forum Discord channel. There, people reported the cases that they have received in-game after the update. According to that Reddit post, nobody had received the Prisma case. This, of course, is a very good reason to think that Prisma was moved into the rare drop pool. Though I have read a smart suggestion from the user growling-bear about the fact that Valve might have put the Prisma case into a temporary hold before deciding what to do with it. He suggested that they could still change their mind and put the Prisma case into the non-prime drop pool and move one of the current non-prime cases into the rare. This, of course, is just speculation, but such thoughts really have a place to be, because Valve truly can do anything they wish. As an example, I could use the Hallowed Chest of the Diretide. It is a case they introduced in Dota 2 exclusive for a Halloween event. Once the Halloween event was over, they discontinued the case, but 1 month later they added it into the common drop pool. I went and did a little bit of research myself, though I didn't have nearly as many people input their result. Still, the data that I managed to collect portrays a similar message as the Reddit post, that the Prisma case is no longer in the prime drop pool. This is the community post I created, and this is the data I collected. Out of these 6 cases, the Prisma case is by far behind. Still, 2 people reported that they saw someone get a Prisma case, which would not be out of place if the case was moved into the rare drops, considering that the same amount of people reported a Bravo case drop. Let's take a look at its features. The Prisma case is mediocre in the knife department, but it has one of the more expensive M4A4 skins, the Emperor. None of the other cases with chroma finishes have a weapon as expensive as this one. And this is just the start of it being in the rare drop pool. The Prisma 2 case, for example, which has the exact same knives, has covered skins half as expensive. Okay, let's imagine that we knew without doubt that the case is now rare drop. What would this mean in the long term? It would be stonks. I'm no prophet to know how long or how much, because circumstances are always changing, but I think it will be a fast growing asset either way. Of course, we aren't yet sure what happened, and there's a ton of risk involved. New investments are always volatile, and you should be aware that you could get burned, so be careful. Before people started realizing that something is going on with the Prisma case, the majority, even myself, thought that the Horizon case had to be the next to go in the rare drop pool. Because of that, the case spiked as soon as the new update was released. The reason why so many people thought that Horizon should have been the next was because it was the only case out of the non-prime ones that didn't have unique knives, within the drop pool of course. The Danger Zone case has the exact same knives. Now, as it turns out, Valve can and will move cases at their own desire. In that Reddit post from earlier, someone mentioned that when the Shattered Web started, the Chroma 3 case was moved from the rare drop pool into the non-prime, a thing I actually did not know about. Unfortunately, we cannot see any effect on the price of the case, as it was 3 cents before and after this event. I think I've covered everything there is to know about the current Prisma case situation. If I've missed anything, then let me know about it in the comments. Thank you for watching, and if you'd like, smash the like button to help me reach more people with this video. See you tomorrow, bye bye.